Hello. What's up, XZ? Infernal, how you doing, guys? Fabus. Yee, Raid, Rank, Busted, NPC. How we doing, guys? What's with the period at the end of high? What about this high with a couple eyes? What's up, Alex? I'm Birio, H1, how you guys doing? A little bit of an early stream. Dude, listen to this. So I go to try to start out my day, and I put some bullshit on my I go grab my toothbrush. Uh I go do the water. I'm like, what the fuck? And so it doesn't work. And so I have to go to like my sink in the kitchen, turn on the water, it's not working. And so I'm like, what the fuck? So I check my phone and uh it says water shut down from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The fuck am I supposed to do? I can't cook. I don't have anything, dude. I use the same fucking dishes for everything, so I have to clean them every single time. Dude, I don't have any clean dishes. I don't have anything. So what am I supposed to do? Use water from the toilet, bro? No. Go get bottled water, bro. Dude, suck my balls. I'm not paying for no bottled water. So I'm literally forced to stream. I have nothing else to do. I'm trying to time skip. Hopefully this is fun. Hopefully this is a fun day and uh, it skips to 4 p.m. so that I can end, get ready, go to chess club. Anyways, uh, yesterday we started doing testing, and to be quite honest with you, testing is actually going very well. There are some bugs, but the bugs aren't really big. Like, some bugs are like when you hover over a dropper, this says it's locked. Easy fix. Shinies don't work. Easy fix. Um, Rebirth not giving an item. Easy fix. I actually like I've been able to pinpoint all these. One thing that we did add yesterday for testers, if you aren't aware, is some testers their luck was already too good because I didn't balance unbox luck, so they could pretty much buy everything out the gate pretty quickly. Now it's balanced. But they were able to buy everything pretty quickly, which meant that they couldn't get the more common items. So I've added a new thing called a luck modifier. You can click on it and it says, would you like to turn off luck to unbox more common items? So when you turn it off, your luck is being overridden by the luck modifier machine. So now you only have 1x luck and you can try to get common items with 1x luck. The reason why is because you shouldn't really need to do anything between 0 and 1. So you can turn it back on and all that. So I added that yesterday. I've also done some balancing, so you can see that some things are like free, some things cost 1,000, whatever. Someone told me that they didn't like that when you click down, it immediately starts. So I'm gonna do that real quick. That's pretty easy. All you gotta do is create. Do you signal? No, I don't. Triggered. We're gonna say trigger ended. Like so. So now when you click down, it'll do that. Pretty epic. Okay, am I only gonna get these? Okay, so BP said she had this issue too, where you would only get the most common item. Interesting. Okay, so I gotta fix that. Let me see if this actually. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know. We'll see. It looked like this is bugged your first ever roll. Is luck for cooked? I will be honest. I did send Codex to go start doing some bullshit yesterday with the luck formula. Uh, Because right now, what happens when you have high luck is common items effectively become 0%. You cannot roll them. You could roll them, but it ends up being like a 1 in like 100 million chance to get a common item, which I don't like. So I told Codex, I was like, all right, make it so an item can never be below 30% of its original rarity. So here's an example. Let's say an item is 25% chance. If you get higher luck, the 25% chance item will get slower, smaller and smaller and smaller, but it will only become at lowest 30% of its total. So instead of becoming 0%, it'll become like 7.5%, which I think is good. But yeah, this code's better than anti-gravity. I've never tried it. You look like you're tired. Actually, I didn't sleep well last night, so good observation. I don't know why I couldn't get cold or hot. Like I would put some blankets on, and then I would be way too hot, and then I'd kick them off, and then I'd be way too cold. And it was really windy here, so my door kept rattling as well, and so it was making a bunch of yeah, I know. Some motherfucker said Leaf is more handsome than you. Then I cooked him. Thanks, Real Ritual. Really appreciate that. What do you think about the future Roblox development? I think it's gonna be the same as it is now. Oh, I have a pen. It's my little fixation. Nah, I don't like the whole like base chance of luck getting rolled. I feel like you should know exactly what you're rolling every time. That's why I made the luck machine. I was gonna do what Leaf has in his game. I can show off what he has in his game if you guys are curious. If you haven't seen it, I'm sure you guys have though. Let me show. But Leaf has in his game that you can set your luck. I felt like that was a little pointless because there's no like there's nothing like his game has like hundreds of slimes that you can get, all of different rarities. So here's his. Right here. You can have a manual luck override. There's a couple things I don't like about this. The first thing is I don't have no idea what I should be setting my luck to get a slime that I want. Example, let's say I have a slime that I'm missing. It's 330k. I think there's a crafting one, but let's just say, for example's sake, I need a 330k. What should I set my luck to? Like 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, 300,000? Like it doesn't really make sense, at least to me. Because I feel like there's a lot of like other things at play that determines the luck of something. So I don't like that you can set the number anyway because it doesn't really help. But also for my game it's a little simpler. I don't need a manual luck because it's not like you're gonna be changing it that often. It's a pool of 6 items. It's pretty easy to tell. When you have more luck, it's skewing to the end. When you have less luck, it's skewing to the beginning. So. I also saw a YouTuber, LCLC, right? Sub Z. Sub Brandon. But yeah. So yeah, I hope that the luck modifier people understand. I made it. I did 2 things purposely with it. I made it so you have to buy it. So you like cognitively understand that you're buying something, and then I made it so it's always right next to your crates, so you can see when you buy crates, it's always right near your crates, so you're constantly walking by it, and you constantly see it. I think that's I think it's good. You should have the menu that shows off all the stuff, like click the one you want and the game automatically gives you the best luck. I thought the same thing. I was gonna do that, and then I was like, okay, wait, this is so stupid. Like, I don't need to be doing this. Because I was like, last night, people were presenting the problem to me, and I was trying to think of a solution, and I was like, wait, like, this is actually so dumb, because I was like starting to work on some UI for it. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing this shit. Was curious, where did you do Tester apps. I didn't see it. Um, it was on stream. Anyone that was on stream could have gotten it yesterday. I'll do more. I'll open up to more testers later. There's a couple of stats I want to show you guys. I know these stats aren't as interesting as Leafs game, but I can still show. So I added a funnel to my game for my onboarding. And now obviously this is a little skewed because testers are purposely trying to get into the game. 83%, honestly not that good. But I did notice that once people unbox the first crate, they complete the whole thing. So maybe there's some friction between purchasing plot, or maybe people were just joining to join. But people did not navigate to unbox first crate immediately, and I don't know why. So I'll have to figure that out. Maybe there's a bug. I don't know for sure. The game is a sandbox tycoon. You roll for items. And then you place them down. Oh. And then you earn money. And your goal is to keep buying more and more items. And make a better base. For a second, I didn't know how to open because I was pressing E instead of clicking with the mouse. Well, you can click... Oh, I guess it makes sense. Yeah, the reason why I didn't make it E is because your inventory is E. But I guess maybe E is fine. I don't know. The reason why is because, like, let's say you're building and you click E. I don't want it to activate the proximity prompt. You know what I'm saying? That's why. Yeah, the game is almost done. Roleplan. Ending hype, ending hype, ending hype. Not ending, idiot. So anyways, let's get back to work. I want to start tackling some tester bugs. Some of this stuff should be pretty easy. So the first thing is I should probably make something that checks to see if you can afford a crate. Make it E for opening when in proximity only. See, this is where I've tried explaining. Let's say you're building, okay? Ehab, are you following along? And let's say you're over here near your base, and you click E to open your inventory. You are in the proximity prompt. You're right near it. So if you clicked E right now, it would start rolling. That's the problem. You can't be when in proximity only, because when you're on your base, you can be in proximity. One does not purchase. All right. Let's go to unbox. Well, I mean, depends on what you mean. How much time do I spend on Roblox? Like, I'm always gaming, or I'm always deving. Beepa says, "Remember me from FurryCon? It was a blast." Wrong guy. Wrong guy. Remember me from Deodorant Con? It was a blast. Jakey, how bored are you? I just want to let you guys know, Jakey streamed with a microphone today, and he texted me. He says, "Bro, streaming with a mic is so awkward. I don't know how you do that shit. Once and never again." What a fucking loser. I'll take a picture so you guys can see. Look at how pathetic this kid is. This is so awkward. I don't know how you do that shit. Once and never again. Fucking cuck. Wow, way to leak DMs. Dude, you are a fucking loser. Just because your job is to talk alone in a room, don't make it right. Dude, I'm not alone. How to do your math? Um, Desmos. This is Desmos. But I mostly do something like this. Equals 10 times 5. And then enter. Now I got my math. I got 50. Sorry about that, y'all. I think this is fine. Break stops a loop from looping. It'll exit the loop. Break out of the loop. Well, I keep my game passes from Job and Go. You receive tier rewards. What do you, dude? You send that like it's like a it's like bad for me, dude. If anything, that's good press, dude. Not. I might be one of the only Roblox devs out there that would even give a reward for having game passes. Suck my fucking balls. Bitch. No, I don't use viewport. Have you had console? It's like halfway done. Drop and Co. The original took me about the same amount of time this one did. I don't. Toolbox, open source old projects. What is row ho? Like the color? I like red. It's pretty good. No way you hard code error messages. What's the other way? Sub alpha. Rojo is something that connects Visual Studio to Roblox Studio, pretty sure. I've never heard of it. Yeah, I just make games, bro. I don't like do that like coding shit. Okay. Um so we got error messages for this now. Okay, so this is fixed. This is fixed. Fix this. Fixed. Do you know that you can use Wally package manager if you use Rojo? I think that really sells it for me. What's Wally? Fast Unbox Game Pass not implemented. Literally impossible. Why is his screen so fucking big?
Oh.
Tabbing out when rolling causes infinite rolling. What? Dude, what? Doesn't make sense. Dude, also, why is his screen so small?
Oh.
Dude, what kind of like screen is this?
Oh.
Uh, I think this is fixed. I think this is related to this error. Infinite spin console error shown. Index nil with weight. This was at line 291. If rate is nil, then we pass in this. Yeah, it should never be this anymore. So I think this is fixed. I think that's a red herring. The tabbing out while rolling causes infinite roll, it's literally impossible. There's nothing. I do nothing with tabbing out. And I'm gonna guess that this is also related to the whatever, so we're gonna delete it. What's up, Daniel? What's up, Enzo? Do you use springs? Sometimes, yeah. Why did Umbry add this suggestion and then delete it? At least 20% of bugs are literally impossible. That's incorrect. The the tabbing out is like there is nothing to do with tabbing out, so there's no way that that's like a thing. They probably thought that they probably thought that, oh, it tabbed out when I opened a crate that I couldn't afford. So, okay, like they probably weren't looking around enough. I'm doing good, Enzo. How are you? Plot missing, dude. I don't even know how the fuck this happens. This happened earlier in another test, and it's so rare. It like happens every. I don't even know. There's been no way to reproduce it. When autospin money isn't shown. There is. There is Hollow Rift. I see. Yo, Roplan, I appreciate you being here, bro. Dude, I'm not really that good of a teacher. If you want someone to like help you learn to dev and like help you to like use like tools and do math and all that stuff, dude, you gotta go to Leaf. Leaf loves helping people. I'm dead serious. Like his stream is full of people like asking for help and like talking. Like that's the place to be. Dude, I suck at teaching. It is what it is. Listen, I wish I could. I wish I could help. I just don't really know. Ace, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much I miss you? 0. Yeah, he answers every question. He's like a really good like tutorial YouTuber. I wish I could help you, bro. I'm not good enough. He's live like every 10 days. That's why I want you to stream too. Well, I mean, maybe Road Builder might be a good person to try and like message too about. So yeah, I mean, sorry, bro. Listen, I want to talk about all like the best practices about Roblox dev, talk about my frameworks, talk about my open source modules, talk about math, springs, Desmos, all of it. It's one of my favorite few topics. But I'm not good enough to help teach somebody. I'm sorry, bro. Only ever got Ore Shrinker and 300 plus rolls. I don't know why this lock is showing. Leaf does do APP calculus tutoring. That's the problem. I've been watching tutorials since 2020 on Luau, and when I see you or Leaf or every other dev, I feel stupid. Well, you should feel stupid when you see um like when you see other people like comparisons of theft of joy, bro. Leaf and I have also been doing this for a very, very long time. And we haven't just been doing it, we've been doing it relentlessly for years. Like, if I had to, just by streaming, I have over 5,000 hours on Roblox Studio. And that's just streaming. I do it way more offline. So I probably have over like 10,000, 15,000 hours just working on Roblox Studio. There was a time in my life where I was doing Roblox Studio maybe 14 hours a day. I'm not even kidding. If you were there in 2021, say, "Hey yo, I was streaming daily, 12 plus hours a day, just working and working and learning and reading." Like, dude, some of my streams were just me reading about Lua, me just reading through code, me trying to like work on things, trying to learn about optimizing, trying to learn whatever. Dude, it was quite a time back in 2021. So like comparing to me or Leaf, like you haven't seen like what we did to like get to where we are. Line.new. I mean, I was doing metatable bullshit too. Was that back when you intentionally made your voice deep? That might have been right after. Was that the time you were using link list for a baseplate 2.5D game? Yes, that was the time. And after all that, how much did you make from Roblox Studio if you don't mind me asking? Dude, we don't like to answer questions like that here. So just keep working, bro. This game is the one derp, trust me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm glad you feel confident. Leaf and Derp are on the same level of programming? Nope. Nope, I'm way better than that guy. That guy fucking sucks. Sub 4-3. Do you think I should keep them black? Like keep the roll black, or do you think I should keep it colored whenever you unlock something? Yeah, I think I like it black better. Here are plans on what you will make after this, or fully lock in on this. Well, uh, I'm gonna fully lock in on this and hear it out. Like I'll work on this for a couple weeks after I release it, see how it does. But if it ends up doing like poorly, I'll probably just do maintenance stuff. To be quite honest with you, the game isn't hard to update. Like there's not gonna be like adding a system here and there isn't gonna be difficult. Like the code base is really clean, all things considered. Like it's not as bad as like as it could be. So I'll probably lock in on this for a little bit. But I do want to work on either a mining game or an RPG next. A simple RPG though, like it's not gonna be anything crazy. I think that'd be fun. It sounds like a pain in the ass, but it also sounds like a little fun. But the difference between this game and the RPG is I'll release the RPG within like a week, and then I'll add content over time. The problem with this game was there was like I'm adding so much and I'm trying to do so much and I'm trying to release with some like big grand game. I'd do fuck that. I want to try something where I'm like adding onto a game over time and it's slowly getting like updates like as it grows. Cuz like um a big problem with how I've been working on games like this is there's you make no money for every day it's not released, and this is my income. So, but I mean, it would be an RPG, but it wouldn't be like what you guys are imagining. Like I'm sure you guys are imagining like skill points, um, bunch of abilities, bullshit. It would be very simple. Like it'd probably be like a couple classes, maybe one or two abilities per class, and then like you would farm for items, and that'd be it. Like it wouldn't be anything crazy. There'd be questing. Maybe there'd be some skill points like for cooking or fishing or something like that. But like it would not be like it would be a dumbed down like version of like WoW or like some like whatever. Like it would be very like kidified. But yeah. What are you creating? I'm making a sandbox tycoon game. But yeah, that'll be probably the next project. I haven't decided if I want to do the mining game though, because the mining game would be easy as fuck. Dude, I could probably crank that shit out in like 3 days. Anyways, especially with the systems that are in this game already. Like I could just start yoinking and pulling shit. How hard would it be to make the items in the unboxing animation be colored if they have them in the index? That's what it's already doing. One of your previous mining games, I stopped working on them because I got stuck with monetization. Rarities. I mean, I guess rarities are visual per se, but some of them are like rarer than others, and some of them actually have uses. Like this guy is better than two of these guys, and it's a little bit more rare. And same goes for everything here. Like the rare items. The rare items have cool perks. There are shiny variants. I just haven't added, like, for some reason they don't work. So I gotta add that. There will not be mutated droppers like an electrified furnace. Subderp, I hope the game releases soon. I can't wait. Why? It'll be out soon. I promise. It's getting very, very close. Well, I mean, I'll look to the game if there's like if there's people that want to play the game, but I do gotta say, like, the game might not be fun. Like, it just is what it is, guys. Like, this is a very weird concept. Unboxing items to like place on your plot. Like, I've gotten mixed feedback. So we'll see. We'll see what if you guys like it or not. Anyways, we fixed the it's still locked even if you don't own it. I think it can go viral. If Leaf can, you can. That's not how it works. That's unfortunately not how it works. The map looks very plain though. Oh, Lace, you want me to make the map really immersive when you spend 95% of your time on your fucking plots? Dude, thanks for the tip, the feedback, jackass. You want to give me another tip, another bit of criticism, jackass? All right. Hovering over items fixed. Next up, I don't think I can do anything about this. I'm the only programmer. Yeah, I don't think I can do anything about this. Like, images take a second to load on Roblox. You can't really like do anything about it. Some of your shit explodes because you have an upgrader that causes them to explode. Like, I believe the nuclear upgrader, which doesn't have a description, so I gotta fix that. I'm gonna go make breakfast, man. Hope you don't start adding new testers when I'm gone. Nah, I won't. Not today. Yeah, but content provider doesn't preload images like you would think. It takes an instance, which is an image label, and preloads the image on that instance. I mean, maybe I could try. I'll try. Make a provider you can roll for any player on Roblox using the RG trend, very depending on their Roblox ID. Kind of cool. That's actually very cool. I'm good indice. Test.defer. So we're gonna say test.defer, which is waits till the end of the frame, and then we'll clear out icons. $167. Okay, so I've got no idea. I got no idea if this even works. So it doesn't in Studio. We'll publish it and we'll see if it works in the real game. No, you woke up this early. I'm always up this early. I'm actually up like usually 2 hours earlier. It's just that my apartment doesn't have any water right now, so I'm trying to kill time. It's 1 p.m. for me. Nine forget to pay. Oh, maybe it does work. Wait, preload async works in game? Dude, what? Wait, dude, I thought it was a fucking scam. Sylvie, you told me it was a scam. You told me, you said, and I quote, that shit don't work. You said don't use preload async, it doesn't work. Don't question mark me. You told me it doesn't work. Yo, what's up, Robuilder? Dude, Robuilder, I saw your game. It looks good. That shit doesn't work in Studio. Dude, CLV, you were a fucking idiot. Don't try to gaslight me. You told me preload async doesn't work, and you said it's a useless function. I could probably find it in our DMs. You cucklord fuck. Why would I say that? I don't know. You tell me. Dude, I'm actually sick of you. Is Zeph been AFKing all night? What the fuck? Why is this happening? I'm sending you a screenshot. My Discord username is DirtMonster83. DirtMonster83, sir. Are you wiping testers' data on release? What do you think? What do you think? Well, the reason why his setup is weird is because he has this item called Lambda. And Lambda has a chance to do a 2x upgrade. It also has a chance to do set your ore to 0. or 1. So that's why sometimes the ore is worth nothing. I'm sorry, stupid question. It's not a stupid question. Sorry, I'm just an asshole. Yeah, you can't save your layout right now. If it isn't Super Joshy Party Animal, who the fudge is this? Wait, I know who you are. Stop. Don't fucking tell me. Come on, I know the username. I know the username. Come on, motherfucker. I forgot. Tell me. You do UGC though. Oh wait, Ash System. Ash System. Right? Something like that. I think it's Ash System. How do you know? I recognize your profile picture. If you were new to Luau, I would just try making your own games. Yo, why did you get banned from the Discord server? Because you posted a transphobic meme and thought that everyone would like rally with you. You also called out a Roblox employee by name and then were transphobic towards them. On my life, it's not transphobic. Bro, find a different stream, man. This one isn't for you. Dude, posting a picture of a Roblox employee and then a man with a wig on it does not make it not transphobic if you say it's not transphobic. That quite literally is. Like you can't find anything more. More fitting for the definition. Cucklord. Alright, let's take a look. Dude, holy fuck. Dude, feels like I'm in Clash Royale. Wait, actually looks so good. Dude, oh my god. Look at the slimes. Are you going 2D? Oh, wait, this is the paper mode. This is the paper map. I get it now. Wait, actually cool. Yo, so tell me, who did the scripting? Is it all AI? Because I did notice a couple AI comments, but hey, is what is. Do what you want to do. I do the same shit. But I was curious if you're still working with any scripter. Because you said something in your video, you were like, there's no need to worry about this game not releasing, because all the scripting's done. GigaChed. They started a template I bought. Interesting. Interesting. And all works fine. There was wondering if there's a job opening. No, I'm not. I only work on my own. But I thought it was cool. The map is super sick. The AI comments are from the ad I did. Oh, I see. I see. But dude, still super cool. Dude, you are a fucking liar, row builder. I don't give a damn. I'm putting you on blast. Dude, you said I'm gonna be live. I go check the live streams. I don't see no fucking live stream. Really, row builder? Pissing me off. Dude, I was so excited to watch a little bit of Row Builder while I was eating dinner. Now I couldn't. I'm dropping the derp diss. I don't give a damn. Fuck you, Row Builder. You ruined Roblox development. Yeah, Beepa and I are pissed. You serve stream on Twitch? I'm perma on YouTube now. I'm perma banned on Twitch. I'm perma banned on Twitch for serious violent threats. I don't really know what the fuck that's supposed to mean. Dude, I didn't do nothing wrong. You're right, I should quit and focus on motorcycles. Well, I mean, dude, isn't that the life? Dude, this guy's setup sucks ass. Anyways, back to work. I think I might have fucked up something. No, I have no idea how this is happening. Dude, so I can tell you guys exactly what is like what I think is happening. It looks like it or sometimes is being added hella times. So when it processes, a bunch of these little pop-ups appear. But that shouldn't even be happening. Cuz the only time a pop-up appears is here in money pop-up, and when processed it does money pop-up here. If process is false, then return end. And somehow it is spamming this. Over and over and over again. Like, it spams it like 20 times. I took a video of it. No, watch this. I took a video. This is shocking. Look. Look, that is not supposed. This is not normal. How is it doing this? I couldn't fucking tell you. There's only one possible spot it should be calling this. And it just happened live. I don't even know how to like reproduce it. It just sometimes happens. It has to wait for the server to say it's processed. Yeah. This is for reading. This is for listening to other people's or as well. Yeah, server sets the attribute. But the server doesn't turn it on and then off. I mean, maybe... Only once. The only thing I can think of is maybe when the ore is being destroyed, it's something to do with streaming enabled, so it keeps respawning the ore. Maybe, maybe is that sensible? I just couldn't. I have no idea. I couldn't even tell you. The billboard's already destroyed. How can I help? Dude, there's an issue where somehow a function is being called like a billion fucking times. Let's throw a local debounce and money pop up. Doesn't matter. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. This guy has to be trolling. This guy has to be fucking trolling. There's no way this is a real person. The amount of fucking bullshit that comes out of this guy's mouth is insane. Have you tried putting traceback? I know where the traceback is. It's impossible it's anywhere other than here because it's the only time it's called. Dude, the billboard is already not visible when it's processed. It's already not visible when it's processed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please fucking kill me. Dude, I don't think that you can do a local debounce in here. Because I think it's a different scope. I think somehow the ore is being re-added over and over and over again. It is impossible that money pop-up is being called. There's no rhyme or reason. Dude, the lag doesn't come from. Is it? Can you guys help me? Is this guy trolling or is he like actually this fucking stupid? I can't tell. Dude, the lag doesn't come from the billboard UI being visible. The lag comes from the billboard UI being cloned. The hard part, like the most expensive part of this is the creation and playing of the sound. I was gonna do something so stupid. I don't know. Dude, I don't really feel like trying to fix this. I don't give a fuck. I actually don't care. And then we'll test.delay 5 seconds. Done. Done. All good. All fixed. I don't know what else to do. Oh, bueno. It's a good call. Yeah. So I'll loop through all the children, check to see if it's a billboard UI, and get the attribute if it's a protected billboard. Dude, the billboard UI is parented to your player GUI. The getting children and looping through and calling is a and get attribute would be laggy as fuck if you're checking for like 50 things. Guys, why are we focusing on the eye pairs? Look at the fucking code he sent. Oh, yeah, let's do an is a. Let's do an is a every single time it calls. Dude, that ends up stacking. Let's think about this actually. Let's say that it's called 50 times, hypothetically. 50 times. And let's say we keep creating a billboard. I don't fucking know. The first time it'd only be once. The second time would be twice. The third time would be three times. The fourth time would be 4 times. Fourth time would be 5 times. Then 6, 7, and it goes all the way to 50. Bueno, have you ever made a game? I'm actually curious. Do you have a game under your belt? Dude, this is the type of guy to have like 50 million visits, like 100 million visits, have like 15,000 players in his games. I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna make it so the animations don't appear. I mean, the thing is, we'll never know if it's even working. Bueno, you're not bad. Someone said if you tab out, it happens. So if you tab out, let's tab out for a second. Scrolling, checking out my 2 favorite games, Great Incremental and Slime RNG. Alright, now let's look. You know what would be cool? It would be cool if I could print the debounce. I might do that. The spin in my game is really, really good. I feel bad because he came into the Discord and started thanking me, saying like, thanks for playing my game, really appreciate the feedback. Dude, I was shitting on the game. I was saying this dev has no idea what the fuck he's doing. I said, if you guys are looking for like an easy game to steal, pick this one because this guy's no idea what he's doing. Like, I was horrible. And so like now I feel bad. But he joined, he was very, very kind. Yeah, maybe he didn't get that far. Well, the game wasn't bad. The problem with it was the game wasn't bad. The problem with it was the monetization was poor, and you could complete the game with 199 Robux purchase. I think if he had some like reach goals, sort of like in Leaf's game, where you get a bunch of upgrades super quickly, and then there's like something to work towards, I think the game would do well. But as of right now, there's nothing to like reach for. You can get all the best stuff with a nine like 70 Robux. I mean, it looks like it's working. Umbre, I don't like your avatar. I agree. I think the bosses could be the coolest thing in the game. The high CC was 3,000. Thanks for the compliment. No problem. What's up, Ice Blue Lemonade? Should I give Dribble a try? Do you have Tester? Long time ago? No, like a month or a year ago. Maybe like 10 months ago. I've only been deving since 2020. So I don't have like a long time ago for me is not that like it's not like I've been deving since like 2016. Oh, this wait, what? Oh, I think I did give all items. And give all items doesn't add or wait, what the fuck? No. No, I didn't go back. What do you use to make the tooltip? It's just I just use user input begin. You do UI object input begin. Or wait. No, I use mouse enter. I use mouse enter. Can I test the game? I don't know if I'm adding testers right now, but I'll add testers more later. That looks really cool. Thanks, man. A chatter from earlier doesn't agree. The game you're working on is so boring, should you stop? Well, if you don't enjoy working on it, then maybe. Yeah, for my other internships, I coded in Python, TypeScript, JavaScript, Go, but I couldn't belt out anything. Like I couldn't belt out like TypeScript or anything like that. So I want you guys to I want you guys to guess what the problem was because we'll never know. I mean, unless I really dive into it, I'm not going to. Do you think the problem was A, the component was being recreated over and over and over again, or B, this was somehow flickering on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off. The attribute. To me, it has to be A, but I have no idea. I'm pretty sure it's A because when I looked at I actually have I have the micro profile capture. It looks like it's cloning. I don't know why it's not giving me anything. It's saying unlabeled. But I'm pretty sure it was cloning. How do you do that? You go to micro profile and then dump. Dump at the top. It's not confusing. Oh wait, maybe it's this. Get attribute content. Wait, this might actually be it. No. Destroy. Oh, here's another one. Look, clone. It has to be. It has to be this. I don't think this fixes anything. I think I also do this. Cause it's definitely something with streaming. Yeah, I don't know why it's cloning. The only time it's ever cloned is here, right? Wait, unless? Wait, unless? Wait, maybe it is. Shut up, Bueno. Nah, gas rechange signal. It's a dead giveaway. Dot value, yeah. I mean, this is telltale. I have no idea how it's being recreated over and over and over again. I think it's because I'm using stream enabled in an unconventional way. Calvin has no idea. Can you guys hear me out for a second? The game has like probably like 200. Sub free. Bueno, I swear to fucking God, I'm about to start punching. I swear to fucking God. Subsidia. Role playing, bro. The best way to learn, take it from someone that wasted a lot of time reading and doing bullshit, is just making games. Every moment that you're spending thinking about, oh, what's the best way to learn? What's the best way to do this? What's the best way to do this? How did this person do this? How did this person do this? Is just a waste of time. Dude, just make your own game. Like, you're only hurting yourself by trying to find the best way to learn, because there is no best way to learn. Like, I think a lot of people want to immediately learn and know everything out the gate. It's impossible. Like, it's gonna take time to get good. Like, you can't become like a pro soccer player by just playing a couple times and watching a couple YouTube videos. Some good, Jay. Do we have mobile resolutions in mind? Yeah. Every piece of UI is made with mobile taken into account, and same with console. I don't code my UI like Leaf. Dude, I can't wait to make a bug report about this, and then they say couldn't reproduce on our end, or don't even answer. Why don't you give a shot at Codex? Dude, bueno, I'm dead serious. I think you might be the dumbest motherfucker I have ever encountered, ever. I'm not even saying that to, like, be mean. Like, it's just an honest perspective about you. You might be the dumbest pile of fucking bricks I have ever encountered. It is shocking how stupid someone can be. I got it! I fucking did it! Fuck you, Bueno! You're a fucking idiot. You were a fucking dumb piece of lard. Holy fuck. Dude, Bueno, I'm dead serious. Someone should have told you that shit when you were younger. Because now you've grown up to be some egotistical fucking asshole that knows jack fucking shit about anything. Dude, you learned to code off of some fucking tutorial. Hidden Devs probably glazes the fuck out of you. They probably jerk you a little bit. Dude, you were a fucking idiot. You're in the Dirt Monster stream now, where I'm telling you the honest perspective. You are fucking dumb. Cucklord fuck. Dude, it's working. Oh my god. Oh my god, it works. I did it. Dude, it's the same UID. Oh my god, I fucking knew it. It's a streaming enabled thing. It might be the same thing. Bitch. Oh. It's the ancestry call. Well, no, don't try to pity farm. I don't want to fucking hear it. I'm trolling you anyway. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It was just a troll the entire time. I knew you would get it. You just need a little push to see it worked. There's no fucking way you're this delusional. There is no way you're this delusional that you think that this is because of you. Oh. Ladies and gentle farts, we found the real issue. The model should not be doing this. Ladies and gentle farts. Interesting. This was a bug in old drill bit. Dude, oh my god, I'm so glad I found this. I'm pretty sure atomic means that it will replicate to client when eligible for streaming in. Interesting. Okay, so I understand. Okay, so this is a misunderstanding I had with streaming. My assumption that was that a model was always streamed in. And then the children would be streamed in depending on the parents' behavior. I don't even know how I'd fix this. I could have a persistent part in the model that's always in your base. Why is it still replicating to me? Oh. Let me not destroy these guys. So wait, does the model exist all the time? No. Why is it doing that whenever a part is created? Even no matter how far away you are. Happen again. I'm trying to figure out a bug. Well, the simple solution here is how is it flickering like that? It makes no sense. Drillbit had this bug too, where ore would flicker in a model. It is a Roblox issue. I use this shit perfectly. Minus Haven, I'm the only game that does this optimization. Dude, I can't do custom strip. Dude, the game is so close to being done, I can't. But this has been such a problem. I gotta look at the old Drillbit code. Dude, something smells phenomenal. Cause I put in suggestions. Some medicine. Okay. I'm gonna do I gotta move money pop up to furnace, and I've gotta move. I gotta make it so the ore doesn't. Do you wash your hair? Nope. Hell fucking no. It's time. Goodbye, Bueno. Goodbye. Um, I don't know what it's called. It's a 1440p, like 360 hertz one. Okay. Sub Albert. It's not Albert, it's Bueno. Oh. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah, I have braces, but I stopped wearing my retainers, so now my teeth are all fucked up. Thank you only. We recommend if I don't know how to make an inventory system. I mean, you just ask AI. Oh, is the slime rarity updated in an hour? Have you tried VSC? I don't know what that is. You could use any AI. I don't think there's a one that's worse than the other, like significantly worse. Are you gonna remove the unbox slap in my face? Yeah, you want me to? I don't use it that often. When you see me using it on stream, that's the only time I use it. I don't use it off stream either. Sub EA Sport. Such a cute voice, you made my day. Man, there's something fucking wrong with you guys. I've heard good things. Codex time. Do not connect to the Roblox MCP. Just give me the function. Write a function that takes a part and gives me a random position at the top of the part. At a money label somewhere, I can tell how much I have. It's on the left side. Oh, are you talking about for unboxing? No, you're not dumb. A lot of people have asked. Yes. What's the red thing? It's a furnace. Used to process ore. Yeah, all the UI is code. Or is AI. No, I didn't use codecs for the rolling. I think this is good. Dirt Monster in the chat so clean, pulls up online like a gambling machine, clicks too fast, got infinite speed, probably got RGB running through his bloodstream indeed. At Dirt Monster 83. Thanks, EA Sport. Really appreciate that comment. Just a couple things. A couple things like general quality of life. I gotta make the building mode a little better. I gotta make sure the mobile and console are done. I've got to add in global gifting. I've got to add in layouts, and that's it. But some of the shit can come out later. Like layouts aren't really necessary, even though I did make the promise. I've never used Claude. If destroyed and or is a center workspace and it's not processed, we'll remove the effect. Okay. Hard KCCU when? Dude, I don't know if that's in my future. Sub quiz. Gonna add mutations? Nah. I mean, there are mutations, like shinies. What the fuck did I just buy? Oh. This. My expected CCU is probably like 4,000. 2,000 maybe. I think 4,000 at peak, 2,000 normal. I don't know if it'll do that well. Cool. I also made it so your ore doesn't get destroyed when it's processed. I'm gonna reset servers now. Hopefully no one's looping. There's actually a slight optimization because now stuff isn't being created. Yeah, I think I've fixed the ore issues, I hope. I feel like it usually... Do you have scripted TV players after like 90 minutes to prevent AFK kicks? Yeah, I do. I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, this game is not a 10k CCU game. It's too complex. It's not a big enough like. There's not like a big enough demand. I appreciate the kind words, but it's just not happening. It's a passionate build heart. True. True. Dude, the luck is broken. BP was right. I don't know what the fudge is happening. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to make shinies appear inside of the rolling so you can get shinies. Is scrolling frame for dropper selecting UI responsive? Like when you buy a dropper, does scrolling frame get longer? Yeah, I'll show you. So you see you can't scroll here. If I give item stone, give item upgrade, give item cat, you can see it gets longer. And then if I give all items, it gets way bigger. Hey boss, ready to test today. It's good to hear. When a model script is loaded on the client side, Tier can't stop it. They probably could. I think if you delete a script, it'll stop executing. I don't know if I'm right, but like even a module script, I think if you delete if there's like a while loop in a module script, if you delete it, it'll stop. I'm pretty sure. Maybe I'm wrong. It's not code. It's just automatic canvas size. It's a property. If you destroy a loop before the module script, let's test. Let's test. I'm curious. Oh, I'm in a wrong place file. Okay, I don't care about this test. I'm not trying to make a bug report just to not be heard. Okay, let's do this. Task.spawn function while true do print yo task.wait 1, and then we say task.wait 1 script destroy, and we require script.module script. Oh, well. Oh, the loop still runs. Interesting. Is it just a script then? Yeah, it's a script. If the while loop is in a script, it'll stop. Interesting. It's like thread programming. It's like, yeah, I mean, yeah, it is. I mean, it's not multi-threading per se, but it's like an asynchronous function in a JavaScript. Good song you're listening to. Are you really listening along? Do you mind if you can give that wow that plays? Yeah, it's the Doge sound. Okay. Next up, when we get new item, we need to do unbox util. Yeah, I have it off for stream because I get copyright struck. Okay, so modifiers don't work. Okay, let's figure this out. So we go to unbox util. I think I do context. I'm quitting soda now. I got a massive headache 80 hours in. What? Dude, what happened to this fucking cat? Dude, it used to be like a nice place. Not some bullshit. No, they don't give rebirth, or they don't give rewards. Why is Shiny Chance not working? I don't play the finals. I played it a couple times with a friend, and then we stopped playing. I didn't think it was fun at all, to be honest with you. Okay. No more chat, sorry guys. I'm just too annoyed. You guys can blame the fucking idiots. You guys can all fight with each other. I don't care. You know what? You guys can even say slurs. I don't care. I'm not even looking. So you guys can just flame, do whatever the fuck you want. Zero and zero. How? Word stat amount. If value doesn't equal 0, then value equals 1 over value. I'm gonna panic. I'm gonna fucking panic. I don't even understand. Oh my fucking god, it's local. I'm so fucking brain dead. I'm so fucking stupid. Holy shit. Yeah, it's definitely working. 0.01 is less than 0.025. Good. Oh my god, water's back. Alright, I'm end here. Goodbye, guys. Bye bye. See ya. Bye bye.